Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove green screen in the Capcut PC. So in here I have this video and I want to put it on the green screen video, and here through this video I'm going to show you how you can remove a green screen. So let's say I want to just use a green screen from Capcut library here. I'm going to just use this one. For example, let's download it first. Then you can drag it in the top layer like this. Okay, now to remove the green screen, you can click on the green screen video, go to the remove background and enable the chroma key. So click on this checkbox right here, click on the color picker and adjust the color picker to the green screen. You can see, drag it into the green screen and adjust the intensity and also the shadow. You can also clean up the edge and also feather the edge, and this will be the result. If you want to, you can also adjust the main clip in here to fit with the green screen like this. So this will be the final result, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.